Hello. Oh, these are our...
He said several times,
crossing on bridges, not through that.
I presume that there are bridges, yes. So this is it. We three intrepid or decrepit explorers. Okay. Yeah. Looks quite interesting. So amazing. Yeah. I don't know what's making that noise. Hope it's not bigger than us. Wow. What we call bamboos. Oh, I've lost my team. I'm tailing Charlie here. Ah, here we are. Having done the uphill, we now do the downhill, which means that there's going to be more uphill somewhere. This is the only problem. It looks as though we're taking a rather adventurous route here. But the noises that keep emanating from the forest. Safety being the call of the day. This is certainly looks like a slippery downhill here. Jackie seems to have made it okay, so I think I'll put the camera away and I don't know, I can't see it through the viewfinder, but it's down there somewhere.
Not a bridge.
Yeah, it is. Sorry?
Did the camera not get that?
Oh, that was some Thai that you were speaking.
Yeah.
Wow, this is absolutely... I don't know why, we've only probably done about a couple of kilometres and we're both sweating, but I'm puffing and panting like an old steam train.
I know, just my old Jerry accent.
Yeah.
Come on, Jerry.
One of the decrepit explorers.
Maybe that's the way it's called now, Jerry.
Yeah. Back into the darkness of the jungle again. Uphill, this is something else. I mean, we're on a path and straight down there. This path's only about a foot wide. It's a little frightening, to say the least. Just in case we die here, I'm doing as much filming done as we can so that people know what happened to us. This is holding the camera level at that. That's the hill we're going down, and it looks slippery and it doesn't look very wide, and it looks quite a drop. Hey, this is a national park, it must be safe.